Health benefits and side effects of eating amla. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is considered an elixir fruit in Ayurveda. It is highly beneficial for our health, but did you know that consuming too much amla can also have some side effects? In this article, we will discuss both the benefits and drawbacks of eating amla in detail. Now, key nutrients in amla. Amla is a nutrient-rich fruit that contains vitamin C. Amla has 20 times more vitamin C than oranges, which helps boost the immune system. Antioxidants. These protect the body from harmful toxins and slow down the aging process. Iron and calcium. These help in strengthening bones. Fiber. It aids in digestion and provides relief from constipation. Amino acids and phytonutrients. These are highly beneficial for hair and skin health. 7 major benefits of eating amla. 1. Boosts immunity. Amla enhances the immune system, helping to prevent colds, coughs, and other infections. 2. Improves digestion. The fiber in amla aids digestion and helps relieve problems like gas, indigestion, and constipation. 3. Great for hair and skin. Amla prevents hair fall, delays premature graying, and makes the skin healthy and glowing. 4. Good for heart health. It helps regulate cholesterol levels and keeps the heart healthy. 5. Aids in weight loss. Amla is low in calories and high in fiber, making it beneficial for weight loss. 6. Beneficial for diabetics. Amla helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it useful for diabetic patients. 7. Detoxifies and keeps the body healthy. It helps remove toxins from the body, keeping the liver and kidneys healthy. Potential side effects of eating amla. 1. May cause digestive issues if overconsumed. Eating too much amla can lead to stomach pain, gas, and acidity. 2. Can lower blood sugar excessively. Diabetic patients should consult a doctor before consuming amla, as it may lower blood sugar levels too much. 3. May increase the risk of kidney stones. Amla contains a high amount of oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stone formation in some individuals. 4. May cause allergies in some people. Some people may experience itching, skin rashes, or allergic reactions after consuming amla. 5. May interfere with certain medications. If you are taking medication for blood pressure or diabetes, consult a doctor before consuming amla, as it may alter the effectiveness of your medication. Best ways to eat amla. 1. When to eat. Drinking amla juice on an empty stomach in the morning is the most beneficial. Amla pickle or muraba preserve can be consumed with meals. Avoid eating amla at night, as it has a cooling effect and may increase mucus production. 2. How to eat. Raw. This is the most beneficial form, but its sour taste may not be suitable for everyone. Amla juice. Mix 20 to 30 milliliters of amla juice in a glass of water and drink it. Amla powder can be consumed with honey or warm water. Pickle and muraba. These are tasty options, but they contain high sugar content, so they should be consumed in moderation. Amla is an amazing fruit that provides numerous health benefits. However, it is important to consume it in a balanced amount and in the right way. If you love amla, let us know in the comments how you prefer to eat it, raw, as juice, or in pickle form. If you found this information useful, share it with your family and friends, and stay connected for more health-related content. Stay healthy, stay happy.